Yep, it's raining. Shit.
Dirty homeless scrub, dirty homeless scrub. Life is hell for a dirty homeless scrub. Dirty homeless scrub, dirty homeless scrub. Life is hell for this dirty homeless scrub.
Holy shit, it is cold out here. It's like 55 degrees. The wind makes it feel colder. The sky is cloudy as fuck, and it finally stopped raining. But it looks like it's gonna be off and on all day. And the experience is like almost dead, really. I mean, there are people here, but not what it usually is, because it's kind of cold. Holy shit. Like, I might need to put on my second hoodie. It's fucking cold. I already got my sweatpants on underneath my church shorts. Look at this, the ground is like, yeah. Crazy. There's not even that many performers out. I mean, Pee-wee's right there, but look, there's a lot of empty circles. I'm wondering if I get in one, if people would have pity on me. Because I'm out here in this cold.
Hello.
Magician. I mean, there are some people out here performing or filling up empty. Let's see, there's somebody weaving roses with some husks, palms or some shit. Another empty circle. Oh, can you guys hear that wind? I feel that shit. Oh my god. My dreads are totally flapping behind me. Another empty circle, another empty circle. Yeah, see how dead it is? Like, you can see all the way down to the stage. Like, this place is dead. This sucks. I made a mistake leaving Robert's and CJ's house this morning. They were still asleep when I left at noon. Yeah, maybe I should have stayed. I left because I was the first one awake, and I came to check. I should be getting my money for my sales, my downloads and sales. I should be getting it today. It's the first. I ain't got it yet. I was hoping to use that for warmth tonight, but it looks like that ain't happening because it's not here yet. But I got word it should be within 24 hours, that it's automatic. It's all, you know, like, it's all computer, automatic bullshit. But if that's the case, shouldn't it have been at midnight on the 1st? Meaning I should have had it when I woke up? I don't know, I'll figure it out. My food stamps came back on though, so I got that. I'm not gonna be hungry until it runs out. Which is why last night, me, Robert, and CJ went to 7-Eleven at like 1 in the morning. We were all hungry. Robert's got food stamps too. I don't think CJ does yet, but he made enough cash yesterday that he bought his shit with his own cash. He's the posable one, CJ. He made a lot of money posing. Well, I don't know. He didn't tell me a number. All I know is he said he got rent paid. That's all that matters, right? Wait, today's Tuesday. Where's Zach? Yeah, my homie, the one who said about wearing the costume. It's cold out here. I'll put a costume on. Oh, man, I wish I could get hot coffee on food stamps. Unfortunately, nothing hot. You have to buy cold shit. Except hot pizza at 7-Eleven. I don't understand that one. But it is what it is, right? Because I could use coffee right now, but I don't have the cash to pay for it. I got $10, $11, and I gotta hold that for my bus. The bad thing about not needing a bus ticket at night is it doesn't expire at night. I had to buy it this morning, so it's gonna expire tomorrow morning, which means if I come out here tomorrow, I'm gonna have to probably pay for a new one at night. Hold on. Oh, that was funny. That dude over there, he called me over to the side. He's like, let me guess, you're from Chicago. I'm like, the suburbs? He's like, I'm from the same area. He's like, I could tell by you. And you could tell he was, because when we were separating ways, he's like, hey, what they call you? Instead of what's your name, he said, what they call you. Exactly. People don't understand how or why I use Kool-Aid, but like, a lot of people understand what they call you. Yeah, I haven't heard that in a while because I've been here. I hear that all the time back home. You see the sky, man? This is so gray. I kind of like it here, just not when it's rainy. Because like I run into so many people who like to smoke. I barely ever have to buy it. I only get to buy it when people like Larry tell me to. I need to get my hustle on, but it's fucking cold and rainy. People aren't gonna be interested. Oh man, today's just gonna be a lazy fucking day. I don't know how long this video is gonna be because when I get bored, I like to record. So this might be a long babble video. That was cool. I just ran into an old war vet. He's not old, but he was in the war, and he had operations on his legs and shit. He just asked me to sign his Texas flag. So now I got my PD on there, and my name, and my YouTube. That homeless Scrubbalo. He says he's gonna fly it underneath his American flag when he gets his pot field going. Oh yeah, awesome shit. Yeah, it's been a few hours since I've hit record. My buddy who dressed up like Zach Galifianakis, I met up with him and he gave me a cool ass t-shirt. Yeah. Whoop whoop, hell yeah, fresh as shit. It's been raining off and on. The ground is still wet. I don't know where I'm going to be able to sleep tonight. It's almost 11 o'clock and I'm still here. I got to get up early in the morning. I'm supposed to go to the strip and meet up with Panther. And then later, one of my subscribers, Cody, needs me to show them around a bit. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow as well. So tomorrow might be an eventful day. And okay, it just stopped automatically by itself. I did not hit stop. Yeah, so tomorrow I might have an interesting video coming. Ah, man. I don't know what I'm doing. There's not really anybody here that I know tonight because it's kind of cold and wet. Of course, Mr. Posable's not going to want to come out. He's not going to want to lay on the wet ground. So I don't have him available to ask to sleep at his house again tonight. This might be a rough night. Commented on my headband. This thing. He's like, man, I like your headband. I like how you got it folded and that symbol on it. It's like pretty cool, man. I'm like, well, that symbol's my shit. That's my logo. And then I told him to look me up and shit. It's facing me, guys. They thought I was filming them. That's awesome. I'm getting kind of Vegas famous. Everybody knows me. Yep. My battery died on me again. So now I'm sitting where I normally sit, charging it, editing this video. Yeah, it's chilly out here. Sidewalks are kind of wet, so right now my ass kind of feels damp. Yep, don't know what I'm gonna sleep tonight. If I'm gonna sleep tonight. But at least I'm not hungry. I ate. I stopped off at Circle K like always. Got my coffee, as always. Which I'm letting get cold. Yeah. Today was a long, boring day. For me. For you, it was only like 13 minutes. So yeah, I guess I'm going to end this here, as it tells me that I need to plug it back in. Alright, I'm going to do that then. I'm going to end this video, I want to plug it back in. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Man, I might need to put the second hoodie on. My legs are chilly. It is kind of chilly. I'm wearing 3 t-shirts and a hoodie. Like a t-shirt underneath, then a hoodie, and then 2 t-shirts on top of that. And I'm still chilly. What the fuck is wrong with me? I shouldn't be this cold. Anyway, I guess I'm gonna just go ahead and say peace. Yeah, peace.